isa po kasi sa mga huminto, lalo na during COVID, was yung food for the athletes, no? Healthy food for the athletes, huminto po yan eh. So, ngayon po, binalik na natin, tapos na po yung process, natapos na po yung bidding. Ang nanalo po dyan ay si TechnoChef. Sino po si TechnoChef? Si TechnoChef po ay ang iconic chef ng Pilipinas na si Billy King. Pag ginugol niyo po si Billy King ang nagtatag ng Les Soufflé. One of the best, one of the earliest times na steakhouse sa Manila nung mga 1980s. Panahon rin ho nung mga pa-retire na natin kasama rito. Kaya lang po nila yun, yung Les Soufflé. But si Billy King, for more than 25 years, he's been in Baguio. Yung mga kasama po natin na nagpupuntang Baguio sa John Hay, lahat po ng food preparation sa John Hay, si Billy King po yun. But ang sinabi ni Billy King, the country has been so good to me, it's time for me to help the Philippines through sports. So whatever is your budget in PSC for the athletes, it's okay as long as I don't lose money, I will help you. So ito po papakita natin after this, ito po yung, kumbaga ba, ano pa lang to, start pa lang. Hindi yan ang finished product niya. Kasi,
Appetizer.
kumbaga ba, appetizer lang. Soft launch lang po to. Buong February, nagsa-soft launch tayo. We will formally launch by March. Pero, ito na po yan. Rizal, Phil Sports, and then Baguio. So, we're doing this. So simple things. So, for the longest time, pag pumasok kayo dyan, pupunta kayo sa isang kape. Di ba na mainit lang na kape. But, you know, puro acid na yun eh. But moving forward, even as simple as a coffee machine, lahat po yan press button na. Di ba? Brewed na ho lahat yan. Di ba? Because our athletes deserve that. And yan and of course, sports media deserves that. So, really looking forward, as I've said, we're on soft launch, appetizer pa lang. Gusto ko lang mapakita na sa inyo as we prepare for launch this March. So 1 month, February trial run lang. So yun lang po, let's all proceed to the cafeteria.